Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to post more than 10 pictures on Instagram. So let's get right into the video. Let me explain why actually we can't post more than 10 pictures on Instagram. It's currently Instagram's system for some region. So they allow some region to post more than 10 photos. As you can see, there are some people who post 20 or 15 or like these numbers of photos on Instagram. But when we want to post the same, we can't more than 10. So as we want it, we must know that Instagram doesn't allow every region to post like that. So if you see someone posting more than 10, you must know that that might be Instagram some sort of regional test or follow-up procedure or something like that. Otherwise, Instagram doesn't allow anyone to post more than 10 photos. But in some region, Instagram have allowed that. To know if your region is one of them, you just have to go to your browser and search for if my country or if my area is allowed to post on Instagram more than 10 photos. Then Instagram will show you your region if it is allowed or not. And if you see your region then and you also then can't post more than 10, you just have to go to the Instagram Help Center by going to Profile and the hamburger menu. And once you scroll down, you can see under More Info and Support section, there is a Help section. And here in the Support Requests, you have to request to post more than 10 photos, as your region is active to post more than 10. So yeah, that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.